Boys and girls, we have been working with the short U. We have learned that the short U says uh. We have also learned about word families. We've written words with word families and we've read words with word families. Today we're going to practice writing words with the short U word families. I want you to look at my first word family. Read this word family with me. Un. I want to come up with some words that have the same word family. Say that with me again. Un. So if this is the word family, I'm going to write un right here. Then I want to find a consonant that I can add to the beginning of un to make a real word. Can you help me look here to find a word that would, or a letter to make a real word? What about if I add the letter B? Bun, like a hamburger bun. That would be a real word, wouldn't it? So this word is bun. In bun, the un is my word family. Let's think of another word we can write. I'm going to again write the un because that is the word family that I am working on. Do you see another letter we can add to the beginning of un? Lun? No. Mun? No. How about the R? Run. Run is a real word, isn't it? So by knowing un, it helps me to write the word run. Let's do one more. So again, I'm going to write the un because that is the word family that I am working on. I saw another letter right next to the R, the S. We know what that word would be, right? Sun. I'm going to write the letter S here, and you can see that sun has the un word family. Boys and girls, by knowing un, it helps us write the words bun, run, and sun. Let's look at this tricky word family. This is the uck word family. Okay? Remember that CK go together to make the k at the end of a word. So I want you to remember that this is together, the uck word family. Help me come up with some words with the uck word family. So I'm going to start by writing U, C, K, and I want to find a letter that I can add to the beginning of uck to make a real word. Right away, I see the letter B. If I add the B to the beginning of uck, that would make the word buck, like a deer, buck. This word is buck. Let's look at another one. Notice again that we are working on the uck word family. So again, I'm going to write U, C, K. This is my word family, so I'm keeping that the same. Do you see another letter that I could add to the beginning of uck that would make a real word? How about the letter L? Luck. Is that real? It is. So I'm going to add the letter L to the beginning of luck. Again, the uck is my word family. So here's the word luck. Let's do one more. Remember, it needs to be a real word. If you can't use it in a sentence, it's not real. Nuck. No, that's not a real word. How about tuck? You like it when your mom and dad tuck you in. There's the word tuck. In the word tuck, our word family is uck. By knowing the word family uck, it helps us to write and read new words. Let's look at our last word family. This word family is ut. So here I want to write ut, and I want to think about a letter that I can add to the beginning of ut that would make a real word. What if I add the letter C? Cut. That is a real word, isn't it? So I'm going to write the C here. You can see that in this word I have the word family ut. By knowing ut, it helps me to write the word cut. Let's try another one. We're going to write the word family right here. Then we're going to look for different letters that we could add to ut. That would make it a real word. Do you see one? I see the H. If I add the H to the beginning of this word, read this with me. Ut, hut. Hut is a real word. Ut is my word family. Do you see another word that I could write? Let's write UT. I'm looking. Do you see one? I see one. What if we put the letter N at the beginning? Nut. Nut is a word, isn't it? And in the word nut is our word family ut. By knowing ut, it helps us write new words, all with that same word family. Boys and girls, today we reviewed the short U and how to look at a word family and come up with new words that go in that word family. Let's end this lesson by rereading all of the words that we've just come up with. By knowing un, it helps us with bun, run, and sun. By knowing uck, it helps us with buck, luck, and tuck. And by knowing ut, it helps us with cut, hut, and nut. Boys and girls, remember that word families help you to read and write new words.